Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how you can fix your TCL Smart TV blinking screen problem. So if your TCL Smart TV is blinking, so as you can see currently my TCL Smart TV is it's not blinking and it's very stable. But if your Smart TV is blinking, what you can do before going to get it checked by a professional and paying someone to open your TV up and fix it, what you can simply do is you can simply check all of the cables that are running. So for example, sometimes if the HDMI cable that is connected on this side of the TV right here is faulty or is weak or loose connection, and that can also cause some flickering. So you should disconnect all of your cables, including the HDMI cable, the power cable, and every cable that is connected to your TCL TV, and then you can reconnect all of the cables back and check if that resolved your problem. If that does not resolve the problem, what you can simply do is you can also go to update your TCL Smart TV. So to update the system, you can simply go to the top right corner on your settings. So in the settings, you can go to device preferences, and here you can go to about, and here you can check for system updates. So if there is any system update that is pending and that you want to install, you can also install the system update before getting it checked by any other person. And if that still does not resolve your problem, then you can get it checked by a professional who can then open your TV and fix any hardware issues that is with it. Otherwise, I hope that this resolves your problem. Thank you so much for watching.